We hear it all the time. AP personnel are overloaded weekly with hundreds of emailed and paper invoices that have to manually be keyed into the ERP for matching, posting, and payment. We also know that direct spend invoices are notoriously inaccurate, which creates challenges for these teams. Outdated purchase order data and inaccurate receipts make it hard for the staff to resolve discrepancies because the correct information lives in a lot of places. SourceDay was designed to automate direct material invoices and find these discrepancies at the detailed line level. We are the only AP automation solution that offers a front-end PO collaboration solution that drives accuracy throughout the P2P process. On the surface, how this is done is simple. SourceDay isn't looking to create a complicated project and change for your suppliers. All we need to do is capture a PDF version of the invoice that is either emailed in by the supplier or could be drag and dropped in by somebody in the AP department. Next, SourceDay's built-in OCR engine will process the invoice. One thing to note, SourceDay builds the OCR templates for you, which results in a higher OCR accuracy rate. This also eliminates the need for your team from having to learn and build OCR templates. Once the invoice is digitized in the SourceDay's invoice table, we will perform the match process. Touchless invoicing is much more achievable if you're using SourceDay's PO collaboration solution, resulting in more upfront agreement on PO prices and quantities. A clean and accurate PO means a clean and accurate invoice. If those invoices are aligned to the PO and the receipt detail, they can be 100% touchless and automatically voucher back into your ERP system. Now, if SourceDay finds a discrepancy, we will park the invoice into the appropriate queue to be worked. First, we will look for the goods receipt. For ERPs that support quality inspections, SourceDay can also make sure the quality inspection has been completed and released. This is what we call a four-way match process. Every 15 minutes, SourceDay is looking for an update in the ERP. So once the goods receipt is completed, or the quality inspection, it will fall out of that status. AP does have ways to monitor the aging of these invoices, add reminders, and even send a note to the buyer or the receiving team for an update. Next, if the goods receipt and quality inspection are matched, SourceDay will look at the price and quantity on the PO at the line level. These invoices typically require more interaction to resolve. SourceDay can provide flexibility to resolve these based on your business process. Some ERPs will allow for the PO to be updated and resynced with SourceDay. At times, the supplier is incorrect and needs to re-invoice. At other times, the buyer needs to be involved and the invoice should be vouchered and paid as is. To help streamline this, AP can configure matching rules to determine how much of a line price mismatch they want to automatically process before being involved. Remember, SourceDay's AP automation was designed around direct material invoicing, so line level matching and validation is key. Once the invoice passes the 2, 3, or 4-way match, they can automatically be integrated back into the ERP for vouchering, posting, and payment. Those statuses will be communicated back to SourceDay. Lastly, we understand not all invoices have POs, so SourceDay can also process non-PO based invoices. This enables the AP team to allocate the correct GL before submitting this into the ERP for posting and payment. In this video, we covered how SourceDay enables organizations to centralize visibility of their AP processes, reduce the number of mismatched invoices, pay suppliers on time and more accurately, all while transforming their AP department's workloads. For more information about our AP automation or our PO collaboration solution, please visit SourceDay.com. Thank you.